This is going to be a video product review of the Works Tile and Shower Cleaner. This has got some serious chemical stuff in here. They do not want this to touch the eyes, which makes sense. They don't want it to touch your hands or your skin. They don't want it to touch your lungs. They want you to have a lot of ventilation. So right away, we're dealing with a fairly dangerous, toxic product. I don't have a lot of ventilation in this room. I don't even have a window, so this is going to be a really fast video review. And we'll see how this does. I do have a sponge. I've got gloves that I'm going to be wearing. I would like to give you better lighting, but that is not going to be possible right now because there is no way to get lighting into this very small bathroom and a camera and me able to clean. This tub is totally filthy. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you can see all the dirt that's on here, but it is filthy. So all of my video reviews are very honest. If they help you out, please do a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share. Let's get this video viral. If you shop on Amazon, click on the affiliate link in the video description. That will help me out. Click on that before you do any of your Amazon purchases, or if you want to donate to my PayPal. You know, all the stuff I say in all my videos that nobody does. So here we go. I'm going to try this stuff out and see if it works. I don't know if I should be using this on a fiberglass tub. I didn't see any notice on the thing that said you shouldn't, but I might not have read it clearly or properly. They do say that you should use this in an area where you can test it out to make sure you don't do damage. It's probably made more for tile, but I don't know what it's going to do to painting or finishing, the finishes of fiberglass or tile. So let me put this on the tripod and we'll start doing the video. I am zoomed out about as far as I can go. I would love to have some water in here, but you also have to be careful when you're working with chemicals like this, that when you spray water, it kind of what's the right word that I'm using? It kind of puts droplets of moisture in the air, and it can spread the chemical to go into your lungs. So you really need to be very careful. I don't know if this has a little cloth thing underneath it. Okay, so it's got a little thing underneath the container that you have to take off. I'm not sure if I can do that with my gloves on. Okay, I've got the little thing off. I don't know if this is a liquid or a cream. I'm going to shake it a little bit just in case it's a cream. It feels like it's a liquid. Okay, can you see where I'm at? I think you can see where I'm at. I'm just going to do a little bit of this is really a liquid. I'm surprised. I didn't think it would be a liquid like this. So I don't want to ruin my tub. I don't want to destroy the tub. But I will give you my honest opinion. It feels like it's kind of bogging down in the fiberglass now, which makes me worried. I don't know if I'm ruining the fiberglass or if I'm breaking loose the dirt. There's a lot of dirt right over here. There's a ton of dirt over here. The sponge is going on there. I'm scrubbing. Now, if this was soap, I would hope that this would dissolve the soap with the chemical. I don't see anything happening. I see absolutely nothing happening right now. I'm scrubbing away. Let's see, let me try to zoom in a little better. I'm scrubbing away and I don't see any dirt coming off of this tub. Now I don't see any dirt coming off of the tub. If I was using Bar Keeper's Friend, I would see a removal of dirt immediately. I have a water line on this tub. I see nothing coming off. And I'll be more than happy to throw this in the trash because of the chemical warning that's on there, rather than continue to use it. I'm going to pour a little bit more on here. I thought this was going to be a long video, but I don't think it's going to be a long video, because I don't really see it doing anything. There is tons of soap, scum, and dirt on the side of this tub. I don't know if it's showing in the video. I don't know what you're going to see. Let me get it up on the tile so I can see if it does any good on the tile. There's some dirt on the tile. There's a lot of mold on the tile. And I want to at least put it on the tile, see if we're getting any cleaning at all. And in the grout area, I think it's cleaning some of the grout, maybe. I'm pretty disappointed in the Works toilet cleaner is incredible. I've done a couple videos on it. People get really upset because I don't put gloves on when I clean the toilet. I'm not impressed with the Works tile cleaner at all. There's tons of filth on this tub still. I'm going to spray. I'm going to shoot this up on the wall, apply it liberally so I can see what does it do on the tile. And as of right now, I would say I'm probably going to throw this in the trash. I know you can't see it, but I've got a, can you see it? You can't see I can't move the camera, I'm sorry. I cannot move the camera because I've got gloves on, and this is some pretty toxic stuff. I'm shooting this on the soap tray, which is caked with soap. And I'm doing a light scrub with it right now, with the scour side of the sponge, and it's not even dissolving the soap. This is not a product I would recommend. This is a terrible product. There's no soap is coming off, no stain, nothing is coming off of the tub or the soap tray. This is, I bought this at the dollar store, so this is $1 down the drain. This is definitely $1 that was wasted buying this. I want to clean this area off because, again, this is a fairly toxic cleaner. And when you're dealing with a cleaner that's toxic, if it can't even work, why buy it? Why use it? If it was a little toxic, if it was just a little toxic, and you were able to ventilate the place, that would be one thing. I'm up in the soap tray over here, still scrubbing with water, absolutely no removal. Now we can see dirt coming off of the sponge. No removal at all of the soap. I'm going to show you that after I clean this place down a little bit. Dog got her bath in here last night. Today is her third anniversary since I rescued her. So I gave her a bath so she'd be feeling nice and clean and happy, and like a little lady for her anniversary celebration of sleeping. So, okay, this is really good. I'm happy. Let me get the sponge clean. I want to get the sponge clean, and then I'm going to go in here and show you how the Works clean the tub, or how the Works didn't clean the tub. I have used in the past, there's another product I think called Zep that they sell at HD. And when you open up that cleaner, the smell is so toxic it can just burn your lungs. It's terrible. And it might not, I'm not saying it's not a bad cleaner. I'm saying it, for me, it was not worth. I used it for about a minute and I threw it in the trash. I think I made a video on there. I set it up and I went, okay, we're done. I'm not going to do this to my lungs and my nasal system and my throat, and I just didn't want to deal with it. So And then the next time I saw the product, I said, let me try it again and see if it's gotten any better. And what they did is they covered up the toxic smell with some type of lemon scent. So, let me get these gloves off. Let me get the gloves off, and I'll finish off the video for you. Spray these gloves down. That's why I don't like using cleaners like this. The Works toilet cleaner is absolutely incredible, even better than Lysol. I've done a chunk of videos on it. As far as this thing, no can do. Here we go, that's the soap tray. Did not dissolve the soap at all. That little area that's clean over there, that's where it was clean beforehand. It did not remove the soap scum, didn't even remove the dirt. Over here, along the edge, I wasn't expecting it to remove the mold that's built into the caulking. But over here, you can see the edge where there is just a ton. Okay, we can see the dirt over there. Now over here is where I cleaned. You can't really tell. You look further down, you can see the dirt stains all the way down. So here it is, the Works. It's going in the garbage can after I finish this video. I'm going to carry it out there and get this out of my house. I think I bought a couple of these containers and they're all going in the trash. I do not recommend it. If you have a product you want me to test out and review, let me know. I'll go out and I'll buy it if I can and pop it on the channel and we'll see what's going on. Thanks for watching, everybody. There we are again. I just wanted you to see. I just threw out the cleaner. It's not worth it for me to have something that dangerous that does not work. Soap dispenser, did not clean it at all. Didn't even dissolve any of that dirt at the front of the soap tray. Nothing, absolutely nothing. Right below, we can see an incredible amount of dirt. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can see a little better. I know it's kind of hard because we've got white on white and it's all reflective and shiny, but it didn't do anything for this tub. This tub is absolutely filthy. And this is not a product that I would recommend. I would say barkeeper's friend, that would be the way to go.